Today we're exploring the top 5 morning drinks that can boost your energy, support digestion, and set a healthy tone for the rest of your day. These drinks are simple, natural, and backed by wellness experts across the United States and Europe. So, let's get started. Number 1. Warm lemon water. A classic morning favorite. Warm lemon water helps hydrate your body after hours of sleep. It's rich in vitamin C, supports your immune system, and stimulates digestion. Many nutritionists in the US and Europe recommend drinking lemon water on an empty stomach to kickstart metabolism, improve skin health, and gently detoxify the body. It's quick, refreshing, and the perfect way to wake up your system naturally. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, which are known for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. People across Europe love it for its calming yet energizing effect. Compared to coffee, green tea provides mild caffeine without jitteriness. Studies show that green tea promotes fat burning, supports brain function, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's a morning drink that blends energy with relaxation. The best of both worlds. Number 3. Ginger and honey water. This warm mix is especially popular for boosting immunity and soothing the digestive tract. Ginger fights inflammation, helps with nausea, and improves gut movement. When combined with honey, a natural antibacterial agent, it becomes a powerful healing drink. People in cold regions of Europe and northern US often take this in winter to protect their throat, reduce cough, and strengthen overall health. It's a comforting drink that brings both warmth and wellness. Number 4. Oats Smoothie or Oat Milk Drink. Oats are packed with fiber, especially beta-glucan, which supports heart health and keeps you full for longer. An oat drink in the morning can stabilize blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and provide steady energy throughout the day. In the US, oat milk has become one of the most popular plant-based morning drinks. Blend oats with bananas, berries, or almond butter for a creamy, nutritious breakfast drink perfect for busy mornings. Number 5. Detox Water with cucumber and mint. This cooling drink is excellent for hydration and removing bloating. Cucumber adds antioxidants and skin-friendly nutrients, while mint refreshes your breath and soothes the stomach. Detox water is very popular among fitness enthusiasts in the US and Europe because it keeps your body hydrated, boosts metabolism, and supports weight management. It's especially helpful during warm months or after morning workouts. Starting your day with one of these drinks can support digestion, improve hydration, enhance energy levels, and promote long-term wellness. Whether it's a warm lemon detox, antioxidant-rich green tea, or a nutritious oat drink, these habits have been proven to help people across the USA and Europe maintain a healthier lifestyle. Choose the drink that fits your morning routine and make it a daily ritual. Your body will thank you.